I don't need any toner because I'm gonna kill myself. Well, only had one thing to do today. Guess I could push it back.
Why do you want to kill yourself?
I've been working for 10 years now at this meaningless, dead-end job, and nobody here even knows that I exist.
I'm sure that people know you exist.
Oh yeah? I work in a cubicle, surrounded by people. I've been talking to you for 5 minutes now about killing myself, and no one's even looked up from their desk. Hang on. Hey everybody, I'm gonna kill myself.
Forget about the people at the office, okay? There's got to be someone else in your life that's worth sticking around for. What about your family or friends or maybe a girlfriend?
Yeah, right.